Gentlemen, I'm sorry that I didn't have a chance to do live streaming on my trading. I did a little bit in the morning and I got busy with the family, but now I'm back. I like to do just a recap of the results of my trades for today. So today I have three winning trades and I have like 11 accounts trading today. Each account I got $475. And yeah, the net pay basically after the commission, $457 each after commission. So that's the net. And one of the account at the bottom, I only got 218. That's because I trade only one contract on that account. And the rest I trade two contracts. And the one on the top is the one account that another account that I just passed. And I'm waiting for Apex to send me the email. So this account I did not trade today. So overall I earned $4,570 for today. And let's come back to the chart. This is the chart. So in the morning when I log in starting trading around 7 this morning, it was hectic. I didn't really have time to do much preparation or reading the chart. But and then I just look at the chart, look like the market has come down overnight. You look at the left of the screen, it's come down and then there's a kind of a strong legs pull back up almost to the overnight high. And then I see this one trade that I took. That's my first trade. Let me zoom in a little closer. Okay, so the market started to come down around, let's say, 8. It's been down, and then there's one leg up over here. I didn't have a chance to see this, so no trade there. Then it start to develop a downtrend here, and I took this trade. I consider this as a second entry, and I took this trade. I was a little skeptical, and I entered a little late. And then when I clicked, I just what they call slip. The market came down and went back up. I missed the trade. I got filled, but and then the market decided to reverse up on me. So if I trade in a traditional second entry method, it would be a loss. But I believe in the downtrend because the market was down the whole morning, right? Down, down, up, down is. But the main thing is main trend is down. So I trust that it will came down. So I hang on to the trade by moving my stop loss maybe way up here. So I just feel that this is a downtrend, so it's not gonna move up past the previous high. And then when it came back here the first time, came and then this bar came again the second time. I add another trade in there, so it's like double down, and then double down just to pull my entry back up halfway, and then this bar came down and give me the profit. I at this time I didn't feel so comfortable, so I just closed the trade and took a small profit, so $100 there. And then I didn't have any more time to trade in the morning. I had to go around. I had to log us around 9 o'clock, and then until 11:30 or so, I came back. I study, look at the chart again. I draw this channel. I see when I came in around 11, so I came in around somewhere over here. So I start to study the market, the chart again, and I study the yellow arrow. I didn't take the trade, but it just my own personal markup. Uh, this could be the place where I took the trade, but I didn't have a chance. I was on the road. So yeah, it's second entry at the cap. Second entry. Second entry at the cap. Second entry that I missed. I didn't take. I didn't have a chance to take this, but it's just part of my chart review. And then I sit down and watch and start to look for a trade. And then I see this. This is happening again, almost like my first trade. I treat this as like a second entry short. One leg up, two leg up, and come back down, right? So basically, I see this green bar. It is not a signal bar yet. I can consider a signal bar as green, bullish, and then I see this bar came down so fast. I came down so fast, so I enter a trade. Then it slipped on me again. It came down so fast. I as soon as well, it came down a little bit, way over here, and I enter here, one tick below this. Hope that it will pull back to to have a fill, and then come back down, right? So that's what it did. It came back down. I have a 6 ticks profit target. It didn't reach my target, and then it suddenly go back up. Yeah, and then the next bar again came down, go back up, and then I enter my second trade, second enter again the second time. So just to pull my entry back up. So when I enter again as second time, the entry came here, and then it started to come down. Yeah, it started to come down. I probably enter somewhere this bar right here. And it came down maybe, I think 2.5 points. Gave me 2.5 point profit or something like that. I probably enter it this under this bar right here. Let me draw. I didn't mark that. Or maybe even here. I forgot. So anyway, I see this. This I almost lost this straight, but I have my stop loss somewhere over here, one or two tick above this highest range here. I just thought that, well, it's not going to go too high past this because it's a downtrend day. I took a chance, put my stop loss over here. If I lost, it's going to be, what, 5 points or so. Fortunately, I probably enter my trade here. And then it pull, after I enter the second, it pull my entry, the low entry halfway up, right? So now my entry over here, my signal bar is still somewhere over here. I mean the bar is still working up here. Then it came back down, gave me 2.5 points after this entry. This is not a second entry short anyway, but I play like trade at the play like trading a range. When you trade a range, you trade at the top of the range. When it go near or touch the top part of the range, that's where you enter. So this is a second entry short. It didn't work so well for me because my target profit is too big, 6 tick, but yeah, and it didn't. I didn't enter when it came down. I enter when it swing pull back. So I doubled down and I got my 2.5 points. 10 takes profit here, so there's an additional, I think, $225 or something like that after this trade. And then I just wait again. I only look for a short trade. I see some long. I see this bar going up. The second entry long over here, I didn't take because I go with the main trend. If the main trend is down, right? So even though I see some good second entry long, I'm skeptical to. It doesn't mean that it doesn't work, but I'm skeptical to enter. And then this thing happened right here. It's way far up above the EMA, but I happened to walk away from the computer at that time to take care of something for the family. Just for at that minute, I missed the straight. And then, so this is trade number two or trade number three, but I consider this as just one trade. And this is a miss. And then this is trade number three. It came down as a failed second entry short. I counted by the leg, one leg down, up, down, up. So this is the shape of the failed second entry long. It went up there twice. It couldn't go past one, two, three. Like, you can say that's a triple test if you want to. Yeah, so this leg went back, went up there once, up there twice. It produced a failed second entry long to me, and this bar looks neutral. But when I see the next bar, bearish, coming down below this bar, I decided to enter right here. Yeah, and it gave me 6 ticks right here. And this is the last trade number 3. So, so I have 3 winning trades. The first 2 was a little scary, and the second entry short didn't work out, but I doubled down and trade as a range and enter the second time, and it worked out. So I'm trading the Apex account. So this is the proof of earning from the Apex account, so that when you read this, you can see that I have. Maybe you don't believe me, so I add this picture right here just to prove to you that this is what I have earned. So that is that. That is the story for today. And since it's been a good week, so I'm on the positive side every day this week. So I want my happy panda to come out. Where's my happy panda? Dance for me. Let's celebrate. Yeah, you are a good dancer. And where's my all my let's have some fireworks going on. Celebrate. Today is Friday, end of the week, and we have been winning every day and winning big every day. So let's celebrate. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, that's enough celebration. Let's go back to this. And thank you everyone for watching. I'm trading live daily. I'm trading the S&P 500 future E-mini ES using the 2000 tick charts, and I trade every day almost full time from 6:30 to 1 o'clock. And normally I start live trading around 7. So you want to come by and join me while I trade live, please come every day. And yeah, I'm doing okay so far. Yeah, I don't want to say I do good every day, but I'm doing okay every day. All traders are doing just okay every day, because no traders will win every day. They will have some down day. But fortunately, this week I have been winning every day and winning big amount every day, which is blessed from the sky. And thank you all. Subscribe, hit like, and hit subscribe. Thanks very much. See you again next week.